Want to know how to set up your Shortwave application on the desktop or PC? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, setting up your Shortwave is super simple. So what you need to do is just simply, first things first, just simply head towards the settings directly if you are on the inbox by default. So on the top right side, you should be seeing that. And now once you're on the settings, you should be seeing overview. So first things first, you can just simply personalize or set up your inbox. So you can just simply open inbox setup. It will be on the left side, and here you can change the layout. As you scroll down, you can also allow stars, to-dos, splits, and much more according to your time and your personalization. Now, right below inbox setup, you should also be seeing appearance, just simply like that, in order to change your theme, which could be dark, light, and according to your want. So you can also change your accent color, and as you scroll down, you can also see your AI personalization, notifications, integration, and you can also integrate many apps like Notion, Google Calendar, etc. And that's it, super simple and easy. This is how you set up Shortwave. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.